stupid fucking whore! So I'll just shut the fuck up!
I doubt it.
I'll just shut the fuck up for good now, huh? Yeah, you fucking want that? Yeah?
I mean, kinda.
We are fucking over, you fucking dumbass! I hope that you choke on a piece of concrete and literally go to hell. I will see you in fucking hell, you fucking asshole, you fucking liar, you fucking manipulator, you goddamn wish you would have played your cards right with me.
Okay.
You fucking asshole!